pinipirmahan pa ng mga senador.
So, papadala
I have been not able to work eh. Ililig ko lang ngayon eh, kaya pasensya na kayo. But it's already signed by me and it's circulated.
It's a full transcript, sir, of what happened.
Yeah, it will come out.
Was it just you with Magalong, sir? O kasama yung Bucol officials?
Yes, kasama yung mga viewer.
So, may links ba doon na kakayo na hindi nagagalit na welfare na kasama?
I said that kanina, I shocked.
Sir, ilan ba yung mga police officials na
Siguro mga isang dosena.
Ilan yung active?
Ano yung pinakamataas na position, sir?
I think they're all active except for a couple.
Mostly active, sir.
So, ano yung wordings na pinapaikot niyo, sir? Anong nakalagay doon?
Na we will release it on the authority of what was given to me. Just asking para may committee report na formal.
Sir, you're transmitting it to the president, sir? You're transmitting
No, wala nakalagay doon. Open-ended yan.
Sir,
It's my decision out of respect. Para maganda yung investigation. Mahinahon.
Palinaw lang, sir,
The
yung one...
president should do with it. Ano dapat ito?
Well, I know that he will do something.